Hi, this is Don Bullock, CEO of VSSL, back again to talk about our latest VSSL app release, version 1.3. Remember when I told you that version 1.2 was the most important app that VSSL has ever released? Version 1.2 is the most important app that VSSL has ever released. Yeah, well, we didn't anticipate all that we'd get done in releasing this new version. So, one more time, version 1.3 is now the most important app that VSSL has ever released. Thanks to our new certification for Google Cast 2, this app is fast, reliable, more intuitive, more user-friendly. Did I mention that it's fast? Oh yeah, it's fast. With setup times of soundbars and surround sound now 50% faster or more, the VSSL app uses the embedded GC2 protocol to speed through device setup to get you to where you want to be, listening to some amazing sound delivered by your VSSL. What's also fun is that the VSSL app takes full advantage of the new protocol to deliver stream metadata back into the app. Now you can easily see artist, album, track, and music service detailed by zone for your entire environment on just one screen. So whether you've built your experience with our X Series powered amplifiers or our SX Series surround sound, you'll enjoy a better overall experience for Apple AirPlay, for Google Cast, and for Spotify. As I love to say, from installation to inspiration, no one does it better than VSSL. Version 1.3 is available for immediate download from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. With VSSL, the journey begins here. And this time, we're just getting started.